Hello guys, this is Franklin Moirore, and today I want to show you how to make money online. So I believe many people desire to make money online, but they don't know where to start. And today I want to show you 7 strategies that you can use to start a successful online business. So it's possible. Personally, I've been working online since the year 2013. The year 2013, I was in that year in campus, and I've been making money since that time up to now. I've been making a consistent income, and if it has worked for me, it can also work for you as well. All you have to do is just start, and without wasting your time, let me get straight to the point. So the first strategy is CPA. So CPA stands for cost per action. So we have a number of cost per action programs such as Max Bounty, which is my favorite. So once you log in to your Max Bounty account, once you create an account, you'll come and find a number of offers that you can promote, and once you promote these offers, you're going to get paid a commission. So let's say, for example, you promote this offer called Ipsos US mixed devices. So let's say this program, all they need is emails for potential clients. So all you have to do is just promote this offer and collect the emails, and you're going to get paid $3.6 for every email. So let's say, example, you collect 100 emails, that's around $300. So do the maths. So we also have a number of other CPA programs such as Peerfly, we have CJ Affiliate, we have ClickBank, and many others. So you're going to do a research about that and see which one is going to work out for you. So without wasting your time, let's get to step number 2. Step number 2 is called Scotthelpcom. So Scotthelp.com is a very nice site. So Scotthelp is a company whereby businesses come here and they purchase name ideas for businesses, taglines and slogans, and maybe logos. They also purchase logos. The way you make money using Scotthelp is once you sign up to this website, you're going to come up with maybe a unique name idea, and once a client comes and likes your name idea or your logo or your tagline, you're going to get paid for that. So the approximate amount they pay is around $100 to $300, which is a very nice amount of money. So let's say maybe you get around 10 names idea, and they all get approved. That's around $3,000, and maybe I can just show you a number of people who are already getting paid for this. As you can see, this one is called Litodino, has been paid over $39,000. That's a lot of money. All of this. Yes. So let's get to that strategy. That strategy is academic writing. I believe that academic writing is very popular, and I believe that for anybody who is starting out making money online, they can just start with academic writing, because I believe that academic writing it's easy to start, and you can make money easily using academic writing. So as for me, I had an academic writing account back in the day, and I made over $10,000 using that account. But to be honest, it reached a point whereby I just stopped doing academic writing, because I believe that it used to take a lot of my energy and a lot of my time. So I decided to give up writing and focus on other online opportunities. So the next step is called Flippa. So Flippa is a website whereby people come and sell their websites, such as e-commerce stores. They also sell their apps here, their domains. So the way you can make money with Flippa is coming here and buying these websites and flipping them. So let's say, for example, I come and purchase this e-commerce store for $7,000. I can buy it and then come and post it again and sell it for around $10,000, or maybe $15,000, or maybe $20,000, and I'll be making a profit through that strategy. Or maybe I can just buy the website and just use it for my own gains. As you can see, all these websites are already generating an income. Like this one is already generating a profit of over $4,000. We have this one that's generating a profit of over $47,000. This one is generating a profit of over $10,000. So if you buy these websites, they're going to actually make money for you. So you can actually just keep them and maybe just use them to make money, or maybe you can just come and sell them again on Flippa.com for a profit. All those strategies work. So the other website that you can use to make money online is called respondent.io. So Respondent is a research website whereby researchers come and take the opinions from participants. So you can just come here and just scroll through the projects and see which project or which survey that fits you. So you can just come and maybe just check on all of these surveys. And once you find a survey that fits you, you can just take part in it, and they're going to pay you via PayPal. It works. I've taken part in a number of surveys in this website, and it's 100% working. I guarantee you that. So the other strategy is selling products online. So this one is quite simple. So you can use your online platform such as Facebook, or maybe use Instagram to sell products such as shoes, such as clothes. And I know a number of people who do this, and they actually make money online by posting the latest trends, the latest shoes, the latest sweaters and all that. And you can make money using this strategy. And here I have a number of Instagram accounts that can give you a little bit of inspiration. You have like the Vibe Apparel, Faithful the brand. And the advantage of selling products using the online platform is that you can sell a variety of products. Let's say maybe you can even sell furnitures. You can sell things like sunglasses. You can sell things such as foodstuffs. There is no limitation, and that's the beauty of it. And the last strategy, last but not least, is e-commerce. I know this is quite popular, and a lot of people find it so hard to get into e-commerce because I think this market it's getting more and more saturated as days go by. But I still think as long as you play your game well, you can still become successful with e-commerce. And there are a number of sites that you can take part in. The first one is Shopify, and what Shopify deals with is drop shipping, whereby you're not actually selling your products, you're selling products on behalf of your supplier. Same thing with eBay. eBay also focuses with drop shipping. And the other one is Amazon FBA, which is actually my favorite. And you can actually take part in these 3 websites. Just pick one, the one that works for you. And the advantage of using Shopify is that Shopify you can actually start with a minimum capital. Maybe you can start even with a $200, $300. But for Amazon FBA, you need to have at least $1,000 plus. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So in the next video, I'll be breaking down these strategies and showing you the exact way you can actually implement these strategies and start making money online. I'll be breaking these strategies into details and step-to-step ways in how you can actually implement and start making money online. And it's possible. All you have to do is just take action and don't procrastinate.